it's Janine and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am back with another Making the Switch video where I feature eco-friendly products that I will be using moving forward in exchange for those that harm our environment. If you don't know it yet, I have this passion for advocating the protection of our planet, and I believe that having this channel helps me follow through with my goal in spreading awareness on environmental conservation. For this video, I will be sharing with you my thoughts on a sanitary napkin from a company called Nala Women. Nala Women is a homegrown sustainable period care brand here in the Philippines. Aside from that, the company also advocates for women's health and empowerment. So, without further ado, let's get this review started. I was able to use the Nala Women day pads, and I have to say, they are very comfortable to wear. They feel soft, breathable, and I did not experience any itchiness. As to flow absorption, the pads are a bit thinner than the disposable ones, so during those days where I have a heavy flow, I found myself changing the pads more often compared to when I am wearing the disposable ones. As to the price, the pads are sold by box, and each box contains 10 pieces of it. For the day pads, it is priced at 209 pesos per box, while the night pads are priced at 220 pesos per box. It is about 5 times the average price of a 10-piece pack of disposable sanitary pads. Nala Women pads are made with hypoallergenic, Global Organic Textile Standard certified organic cotton, which helps to prevent the risk of irritations, itching, and allergies. When we say that cotton is GOTS certified, it means that it was grown, manufactured, and treated organically. It is soft, breathable, and fully absorbent. The top sheet of each pad allows for the optimal humidity that's compatible with our body's pH. The pads are also designed to be anatomically shaped that it fits snugly for the better protection against leaks. Why is it better to use organic pads than non-organic ones? Organic pads are better than the traditional sanitary napkins because of the following reasons. 1. It is better for our body. Typical pads and tampons contain nasty toxins such as dioxins, which are byproducts of the chlorine bleaching process used to make cotton and wood pulp look clean. Dioxins are known to cause cancer and are present in conventional or non-organic tampons and pads. Organic pads are made from good stuff like 100% organic cotton. They aren't bleached with chlorine, so you don't have to worry about unwanted chemicals around your most delicately balanced parts. Number 2. It is better for wildlife. Because organic cotton farming doesn't use harmful pesticides, the birds and the bees are protected from unintended and unnecessary harm. Conventional farming is heavy in its use of insecticides, which have been proven to contribute to a major decline in wildlife, including species of birds, bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. 16% of the world's insecticides are used in cotton, and more than 75% of the world's food crops rely on pollinators. So, if you like food being available in the world, it makes sense to choose organic products. Number 3. Better for cotton farmers. Organic farming works with farmers to ensure that they are protected from the health impacts of dangerous chemicals and that their land remains fit for growing crops on, which ensures their family's financial security for the future. Cotton farmers are no exception to this. Number 4. Organic pads are free from polluting plastic. Plastic pollution is everywhere, and the problem isn't going away anytime soon. Conventional products are packed full of plastic. The average pack of pads contains the same amount of plastic as 5 carrier bags. Plastic like this takes hundreds of years to break down into smaller microplastics, which will end up in sea animals and the environment. Nala Women Pads uses corn polylactic acid for the back sheet film and wrapper of each pad. It is made from the sugars in cornstarch, which makes it biodegradable and carbon neutral. So, there you have it. Now we know that choosing organic pads is not only good for the planet, but also for our health. It might be a bit more expensive than the typical sanitary napkins that we're used to, but its benefits really outweigh the cost. So, if you have the extra money to shell out, it would be great if you could switch to organic pads. That's all for today's video, guys. See you at the next one. Bye!